this video, I will demonstrate the report module and how to locate a missing X-ray. First, click on the report module at the left. At the top, you'll notice the report generation tab is default, and below this we have the selected report field, which currently says images by capture. So to generate different types of reports, we click this drop down, and to locate images by date range and type, we choose this option. Then to the right, click the generate button. From here we set the parameters for our search. We can select from image type of any, or we are going to focus on looking for a panoramic. Click on pan, start the search from, let's say, today, and ending today. So this will generate a report for all patient records that have a pan X-ray that was acquired December 30th of 2010. Click the OK button. This will generate the report. Then we'll notice that we have these two patient names, kind of obscure patient names, but nonetheless patient names. We notice that we never saw this particular patient today. So what we'll do is we'll double click this patient record. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to open? You click open to confirm this. And you'll notice this panoramic does not belong to this patient. Just with the image open above the image browser, which is down below, right click on the selected image, choose the option to move to other patient. It'll bring up a select patient interface where we can, from the drop down, choose to find the patient by name, type in the patient's last name, click find, choose the correct patient record, and then upon double clicking, the image will be moved to the other patient. Click the OK. The image is now no longer a part of the patient record Mr. Patient, but now a part of the patient record ending with the last name CBVT. Back to the report module. There are other types of reports to generate. We can generate a useful report that says X-ray logbook sorted by patient. It's a similar type of report where when we click to generate, we simply just select a start and end date. We'll choose a previous year, maybe a different month, choose a day, and click the OK button. Now it will list all the X-rays that were taken for that date range and sort them by patient. So this particular patient, CBVT, last name of CBVT, has 6 records. One of them is a different patient record with the first name of TMJ 8x8. We have Mr. Denny and a Mr. Patient, several of them. We can then print this directly to paper with the print button in the upper right. This is a print preview of how the paper will look. By default, it will have the practice logo if you have one inserted into the Remix configuration. You'll see the same type of output. If there's more than one page, you can use the arrows to scroll through them. Then you can print to paper. Another way would be to export this as a comma delimited file, which essentially means it could be opened with a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or an open office software that uses spreadsheet files. And then you will have a similar type of layout as you see behind the export report results interface. You could also select on links that you would like to open, double click that particular link, or rather click on the Open Links button, and you can open this particular image only automatically, or open the entire patient record. It just asks you to choose one or the other. I have decided to just open the image, and then I will see that particular image open, which happens to be a TMJ exposure. Just click on the red X, and you'll notice we just simply went from the Report Generation tab to the Image View tab. Now, if I click on the Open Links button one more time and I click on Patient, you'll now see that I have opened the patient record of Mr. Test, first name Test, with that TMJ image open automatically as well. So just a different way to bring the results of our query up in usable format. You can see there are other types of reports that could be generated: X-ray logbook, original exposures only, user events, which would be deleting or inactivating patients rather, or they're putting to the trash bin, or other type of events, capture of images, moving images and so forth, and images by capture. But the most useful ones that, in my particular opinion, are the images by date, range, and type, and X-ray logbook sorted by patient. This concludes the video on the report module.